Why does Santorini's architecture captivate travelers from around the world? And what makes this island unique? Formed by a massive volcanic eruption around 1600 BC, Santorini's dramatic cliffs and crescent shape are the remnants of one of the largest volcanic events in recorded history. The island's iconic whitewashed buildings with blue domes, perched on steep cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea, create a stunning contrast against the azure waters and brilliant sunsets. But did you know that until the 1960s, many of these buildings were actually painted in earth tones? The shift to white was part of a government initiative to boost tourism and combat a heat wave. The towns of Fiera and Oia offer picturesque views, winding streets, and charming shops, making them popular destinations for honeymooners and tourists. These settlements were originally built inland for protection against pirates. Today, their narrow streets are a maze of charming shops and stunning vistas. In Oia, look for the captain's houses, larger, grander buildings that showcase the wealth of the island's past maritime traders. Santorini's volcanic soil contributes to its unique wine production, with vineyards producing distinctive varieties such as Akrotiri and Vinsanto. Even the local tomatoes and fava beans have distinct flavors due to the mineral-rich earth. The Santorini tomato, small and sweet, is so prized it has its own festival each year. Beneath the surface lies Akrotiri, the Minoan Pompeii, an ancient city preserved under volcanic ash. Its well-preserved frescoes and advanced architecture reveal a sophisticated Bronze Age civilization. Amazingly, no human remains have been found here, suggesting the inhabitants had enough warning to evacuate before the eruption. Santorini's beaches, with red and black volcanic sand, are unlike any other in Greece. The Red Beach, with its towering red cliffs, and the black sand of Parissa Beach offer sunbathers a unique experience. But there's also the White Beach, accessible only by boat, its pale cliffs a stark contrast to its volcanic siblings. As day turns to night, Santorini offers world-famous sunsets, particularly from Oia, where crowds gather to watch the sky transform into a canvas of vibrant colors. This daily spectacle has a scientific explanation. The volcanic particles in the atmosphere create especially vivid hues. From its dramatic geological history to its cultural richness, Santorini offers visitors more than just beautiful views. It's a place where nature's power and human creativity have combined to create a truly unique destination. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, tasting volcanic wines, or simply marveling at the interplay of light and landscape, Santorini promises an unforgettable experience. Which place would you like to see in our next video? Let us know in the comments below.